buzz like a bee, cut like a beaver. What am I talking about? The Philips Norelco OneBlade, which today will be unboxing for your viewing pleasure. Roll the intro. Before we get into unboxing this cutting edge product, I first need you to click that subscribe button and drop a like on this video because I know you will enjoy it. Unlike most boxes, we begin taking this one apart by going to the bottom and pulling off these two clips, which I might say are very innovative in the box world. Actually, I don't think you remove this one. Anyways, you remove one clip. From there, you take a knife, you go like this, and then you cut around the 4 tabs. There's one on the bottom. Now these are very technical, so be careful. Chop that away. I just cut through the plastic completely and missed the tab. That's okay, because we'll get into the box eventually. Now we go to the side. There's another 2 here. There's one. And around the top hook. Yep. Be careful, kids. Don't play with scissors. I'm a trained professional. And last but not least, the last side. Very difficult, this one. And we got it. I should mention that the OneBlade was a nice birthday present from my lovely mother Noreen, who picked it up at Walmart for the low price of $39. You too can pick up this product in the link in the description. Moving on. Now that we have cut around the back, remove the one clip and not the second clip because clearly it's just it's a fake, it's a phony. We tear off the back to reveal cardboard and plastic. Recyclable. Here are the 4 different guards, so you don't chop anything off that you wouldn't want chopped shorter than this length. I think I said that right. Moving on from there is a charger. And if you have a Philips Norelco product already, you'll realize that this is their typical 2-prong charger. But we'll talk more about that in the review video. Coming soon. As always, directions and a very graphic description of the various areas that you can use this product on. Oh, a $10 off coupon. Deal shopper. And last but not least, the piece de resistance, the hardware on the other side. Ta-da! The OneBlade. Now there is a professional model, but I am a lowly plebe and can only afford this one. So, to get it out, there's 2 clips on the back. You pinch them together and you release the Kraken. Actually, it's just the OneBlade. Nice feeling in the hand. There is some plastic on the back that you can... That's right, I knew you'd enjoy it. And yeah, there's already a guard on here. There's one blade, and then there's a replacement blade and more guards in the front. But this is all that's included in this box. I will say though, that with this product comes great opportunity for you, the viewers. That's right, if you've been watching this long and are a loyal fan, right here, 3411 Heaven, October 15th, 2019, I, David the host, will promise a scalp reveal if this video gets 10,000 likes. And for someone that has an oddly shaped head that may or may not be larger than the average person's, it would be quite a sight to see this scalp in all of its scalp goodness. Anyways, aside from that, there will be a review video coming out soon, and I hope you'll be here to watch it. A way that you can make sure that you see it? Well, let me tell you. Go down, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And because I know you enjoyed this video, because you actually watched it to the end, don't forget to drop us a like. That's all for today, folks. We'll see you next time. Bird out.